Hi guys, so we will show you how we did our money pulling cake. So now my husband is trying to put a ganache to the board and the first layer of the chocolate cake and then the simple syrup. Then he will try to put the ganache, the filling, and after that one smooth it out, put the second layer of the chocolate cake. Okay, and then make a hole that is the same size with the money that we will put inside. So the money is covered with plastic, and then inside there's a bubble straw, and then we put insert to the cake a barbecue stick, or we call that one screwer, right, to make it sealed so that you can be able to lift it. And then after that one, we need to put the last layer of the cake. So my husband tried to put a slit, right, or a hole, just like that, to the last layer of the cake so that we can be able to lift the money. Okay, and then when it is already fitted where the money is located, he will put the ganache to seal it. Okay, so he will try to put it up the plastic over there so that the customer can be able to lift that. And then now he is trying to put the crumb coat of the cake. So that is the ganache too. So he will try to put the crumb coat, and then after the crumb coat, he will try to put that in the fridge or in the chiller for about, I think it's about 40 minutes. And after that one, he will do the final coating. And that will be the money pulling cake. So you can be able to put other details on that. Just like us, we have the chocolate drip cake, right? And we can also make a fondant. So thank you so much. Thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe our channel. Have a good day. Goodbye.